Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Chorokyu videos. 164 Tune Cars and other car toy brand. Anyway guys, I have another in my collection of taxis. It's a Chorokyu release, standard size, and I think this one is a HG. High grade guys, in detailed. This one guys, they call it Ichibata Taxi. I think that's the company guys in Japan that runs this taxi guys. Anyway, nothing more, nothing less. Let's check it out guys. So, as you can see guys, it's detailed and it says Ichibata on the door and with its logo. And the lower part guys, on the red paint on the two-tone paint, I cannot read that because I'm not a Japanese, and this one is a Japanese character letters guys, or Japanese alphabets. So as you can see guys, it's detailed with a super shiny chrome wheels guys, and in other design as you can see. And this one guys is a Nissan crew car. So I don't know if this one is a luxury in Japan, but it's a 4-door sedan with a little bit luxury, I guess. Okay, at the rear guys, it has a telephone number who you can call when you need a taxi service maybe. And this one is a Japanese character again, and with the logo guys, I don't know if this is a lift or is a alien with a big eyes. I don't know. So on the other side guys, also it's detailed door handle guys as you can see, and printed company name on the doors guys. And this one guys, don't ask me, I cannot read that. And in the front guys, with the plate number green and painted headlights and detailed grill with the insert of black guys. So technically guys, this is a high grade. See, yeah, it's a high grade. And inside guys, oh, it has a already hairline crack on the lens as you can see guys, but this one guys still looks new. Maybe on the lightning, I guess. Again guys, with this one guys, it has also a taxi light on the roof as you can see. And this one guys, it has a dashboard, seats, so technically it's detailed guys, and a fence inside guys. And this one, maybe this one is the route light, yeah, with a dashboard guys. I don't. And look at this one guys, it has a headrest on the rear. Okay, again guys, it's in very shiny paint. I will rate this a 9.9 over 10 guys. That's it. Again guys, this is a Chorokyu standard size, high grade. It's Ichibata Taxi from Japan. or used in Japan, guys. That's it. Hope you like my videos. Thank you very much. Bye.